Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Bhopal location. It is from Madhya Pradesh. Let's discuss one by one. Firstly, there are many vacancies available from Kotak Mahindra Bank. So it is for Bhopal location. Let's discuss each and every one. Firstly, there is a job vacancy for team member customer service, personal loans customer service position. So it is for Bhopal location, and the job role will be lead generation through references and handling RBI and BO complaints and responding to them, replying to customer emails and letters, reporting MIS and tracking it daily for team members, any other customer care related activities, handling team escalations and taking it to closer, and you need to handle 5 people who will be the team members. So this is about the job role, and coming to job requirements, qualification will be graduate from a recognized university, and you should be having knowledge and understanding of personal loans will be an added advantage, and comfortable with handling customer walk-ins, open to doing sales and service, and skills and experience details are provided here, and you should be having 3 to 4 years of experience, and quick learner, and excellent written and oral communication skills are required for this position. So interested candidates, for other details you can visit in the website link provided here. For relationship officer branch banking, job requirement will be equal blend of service and sales orientation. In absence of equality, prefer sales orientation as a skew, thorough understanding of banking and customer retention. And coming to job role, you need to handle customer service requirements like account opening, demat account opening, grievances, liability product selling, liability on product features, checkbook insurance, and speed and efficiency of service given, sales targets for banks and investment products, going beyond the professional need of the customer by providing other products, enhancement of customer value, cross sell of asset products, backup to relationship managers holding HNI relationship, customer acquisition through referrals. So this is about the job summary. Please go through it once, and for further details about the job opening provided here, so you can visit in the website link provided. Next, there is a vacancy for authorizer branch banking position. So coming to job requirements, you should have done MBA or graduation to apply for this position, and you should be having minimum 5 years of experience, and customer service is oriented, meticulous and eye for details, and you should be having ability to manage and motivate front office staff, thorough overall understanding of banking, and they have mentioned here 5 to 8 years of experience is required to apply for this position. And coming to job summary, and here some of the responsibilities are provided, like you should be responsible for servicing any walking customers of the bank irrespective of the segment or mapping, ensuring regulatory and procedural compliance, to coordinate the audit of the branch, ensuring service excellence to enhance portfolio, control retention and better cross sell, authorize and check RO or SO entries, check end products. So this is about the job summary, and for more details about the job opening, you can visit in the official website link provided here. For credit manager housing finance credit position, so for this position you should have done CA or MBA from well-known institute, and also 2 to 4 years of experience is required in mortgage mortgage with the bank or NBFC, and having above exposure in SENP segment, non-salaried segment. So coming to job responsibilities: managing the credit quality of handwritten cases and having sound knowledge of present economic indicators as well as updates in mortgage industry, and maintaining decent productivity levels of processing, being a team player while assisting the team in implementing HO and local policies at ground level, and handling of CPAs and monitoring them to exact quality in their output and monitoring their productivity levels. So this is about the job summary. Please go through with the information provided here, and for further details you can visit in the official website link provided here. One for relationship manager position. For this position, graduates are eligible to apply and also postgraduates are also eligible to apply, and for graduates 3 to 5 years of experience is required, and for postgraduate candidates 2 to 3 years of experience is required, and customer orientation, high energy and drive. So remaining you please check with the responsibilities and about the job description mentioned here. So please go through it once, and for further details you can visit in the official website link provided here. Next, there is a job vacancy for relationship manager, rural housing and business loans, marketing branches operations. So for this position, the candidate should be aware of local practices and business, and the candidate has to be experienced in secured products like home loan or LAP, and should be having strong oral and written communication skills. Relationship management skill is required and also good influencing skills. And here are some of the responsibilities provided. You please go through it once, and for further details you can visit in the official website link provided here. Next, there is a job vacancy for branch operations manager, branch banking. For this job vacancy, you should have done MBA or graduation, and also minimum 3 years of experience is required, and thorough overall understanding of banking, customer service orientation, and ability to manage and motivate front office staff. So you please check with the responsibilities provided above. So here, and for further details you can check in the official website link provided here. There is a job opening for relationship manager, AgriFin projects, AF, marketing branches operations. So for this position, graduates are preferred, and experience will be 1 to 3 years with relevant experience is required, and at least 1 year of experience is required in financial services or banks. So equal blend of service and sales orientation. In absence of equality, sales orientation as SQ will be acceptable. So experienced customer service candidates from financial services with sales orientation can be considered. So you please check with all the details provided here clearly. So after checking with the information provided here, and you can once visit in the official website link provided here for further details. There is a job vacancy for relationship officer, branch banking, and it is in the relationship management. So coming to job requirements, equal blend of service and sales orientation, and in absence of equality, prefer sales orientation as SQ, and thorough understanding of the banking, customer retention, cost effective efficiency through process. So like job description and also job requirements are same as mentioned above. So interested candidates, you can visit in the official website link for more detailed information about the job vacancy. Next one for assistant acquisition manager position. So for this position, job requirement will be freshers or graduate with appropriate 1 year of experience is required in liability sales preferred, and hardcore sales mentality, primary motivation from achievement of targets, and a hunter by orientation, and should be well groomed and presentable with ambassadorship qualities. So these are the job requirements. You please go through with the information, and also they have mentioned here the job summary, and here are some of the responsibilities are provided. You please go through with the information, and for further details you can visit in the official website link provided here. So that's it in this video, guys. If you have any queries, please comment in the comment section, and if you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job, and also please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.